Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to connect with a smartphone to SONY ZV-E10. First, what you need to do is open up the menu, then go to the third tab, and then click on smartphone, connection. Now, what you need to do is open up your phone, open up the QR codes, and just scan it. And if it's not working, just click this button right here and connect with your password. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.